How to run a Facebook Live open house. John Carter here. I'm the broker and owner at Remax River City in Edmonton, Alberta. And we all know open houses are a great way to generate new business, pick up listing leads in a neighborhood, leverage one listing to the next, and pick up buyers that you either sell that property to or engage with them and help them sell other, buy other properties. But an emerging trend that a lot of people are having great success with is virtual open houses. So how do you do that? So a Facebook virtual open house, the main difference is you do it on a weekday. Typically, Wednesday, Thursdays have proven to be the most successful, or sometimes Fridays, right around the lunch hour. So literally right at noon or 12:30 in your local market. And so the idea of a virtual open house is the same as you would show the property. You're using usually a DJ Osmo or some sort of like stabilizer, selfie type camera right from your iPhone or your smartphone device, and you walk people through the house the same as you would anyone else, but you're engaging with that camera and basically showing the house to them. So the key to an effective Facebook Live open house is pre-promoting it. So you're going to set up an event on Facebook and promote that event, advertise it, add push to it to promote it to people based on the geography, so postal code or neighborhood or things like that, or interests. So if, for example, it's a beautiful chef's kitchen, you might have promote it to people that have interest in cooking and culinary and baking and things like that as interests on their Facebook. And so you then promote that promote that open house and say it's a Facebook Live open house, so tune in at this time. Now, the biggest advantage is that you have to be comfortable doing lives, so Facebook Lives or Instagram Lives, and you then go live at that time and say, hi, John Carter here, we're at this listing and we're doing an open house today and we wanted to take people through. Now, the key to it is keeping it engaging, give kind of like the highlights of the property and that kind of thing, just real bullet points about where you are in the neighborhood and the advantages of that. And the main features, size and bedrooms and bathrooms. And then you walk people through the listing and engage conversationally as people like it or ask comments, encourage them to ask comments. The biggest benefit is you might get 10, 20 people that watch it at the time, maybe more if you promote well. But that's live hosted now and they can watch that video later and it continues to be available online. So effectively done open houses, people are seeing 1,000 to 1,500 views in equal markets in the US and whatnot when done effectively. So they can be a great strategy, and feel free to reach out to us or check out any of our other videos on how to get started with video and use strategies like that in your business. Feel free to reach out with any questions. We're always happy to have the conversation and help you grow your real estate business.